Hi guys. So today your functional skills lesson is going to be to help your folks sort laundry because being middle schoolers, you are dirty little creatures and you make a lot of messes and a lot of laundry. So help your parents out by sorting laundry because then it makes it easier to wash. You just grab the pile, throw it in. You don't have to sort it. So I have some laundry here. So this is a pink. Pink is kind of generic. It can go light. It can also go in with reds. Never, ever, ever put reds with anything. So we're going to just sort into darks and lights today. So we have a dark, we have blue. That'd be in my dark pile. I have white socks, light pile. So I make piles of lights and darks. Okay. So let's see here. Oh, dark, definitely. Definitely light. Let's see here. Blue jeans, definitely dark. Let's see. Ooh, this one's one that'll throw you off. This is gray. Gray, if you have a lot of darks and not a lot of lights, I put the gray with the lights. If you have a lot of lights and not very many darks, then you can put your gray with your darks. Gray can be either or, okay? Let's see here. We have camouflage. Camouflage, I always consider a dark. Here's something kind of interesting. This is a towel, okay? This is a towel that is a dog towel at my house because it's got all kinds of bleach colors on it. Towels are their own pile. They get washed together in very hot water with nothing other than towels, okay? Typically. Or they can get washed with really hot. If you have something red or very, very dark in color, like a towel, you can make a dark pile of towels, okay? If you have something this color, like this is a red. Reds go with reds or blacks and nothing else. So I could wash this red with this black. Or I can wash this red with this black. If you wash red with anything white, it doesn't end up looking too hot. It looks like someone in my family did this for me not too long ago. They washed one of my white socks. Let me see if I can find it here. Oh, this white sock right here used to be like this white sock. If you wash white socks with red, they turn into this color. I don't know if you can tell, but this sock is now pink. It is not white like this one. So never wash whites with anything but, or I'm sorry, never wash whites with anything but white. Never wash reds with anything but red. Okay, so a little bit harder lesson, but I think you guys can handle it. Reds and blacks get their own pile, separate from everything else. Grays and whites get their own pile, separate from everything else. And towels get their own pile. And darks, blue, black, camouflage, they get their own pile. Okay? Good luck. I hope you help. If you don't get this done on Wednesday, it means there wasn't any laundry to sort. Sort it on Thursday. Help sort on Friday. Help sort on Saturday. Help sort on Sunday. This is something you can help your parents do. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.